Hours turn into days, and still, the inbox remains stubbornly silent. Each notification brings a flicker of hope, swiftly followed by a wave of disappointment. Promises made, plans discussed, now just echoes in an empty room. The calendar, once marked with anticipation, is now just a stark reminder of what isn't happening. A once exciting dinner reservation, now a ghost on the booking app. Every deleted event reinforces the growing void, the life she feels slipping away. Sleep evades her as the clock ticks past midnight. The phone screen's glow illuminates her face, a desperate search for any sign, any update, any reason to hope. Her own life, once vibrant and bustling, now feels paused. Hobbies gather dust, friendships feel distant. Everything waits for a signal that never comes. Each morning brings a fresh start, a renewed belief that today will be different. The cycle of anticipation and disappointment, however, relentlessly continues. Don't let your happiness be dictated by someone else's timeline. Your life deserves to be lived now, not perpetually on hold. Reclaim your moments.